Welcome, Richa, to the Retail Jeweler YouTube channel. Great to have you with us, and many congratulations on the fantastic launch of the new campaign. And I believe you have already got major response on it from consumers as well as from trade. So, can you tell us about the purpose of this campaign and why do you chose this young face for this global campaign?
Thank you for having us on, Sumit. It's always a pleasure to be interacting with the team from RJI. You've been our partners through this journey. So we are very happy to be here again and speaking with you on this. When we started planning for the campaign, we took lots of inputs from retailers, from people from the industry like yourself, the stalwarts in the industry, to say what is it that we are looking for. One point agenda that we need to increase the desirability in the consumer's mind. And as the Natural Diamond Council, we wanted to pick a face who, epitomizes the new generation, the free-thinking generation. We chose Ana de Armas. She's filled with poise. She's a modern woman, a self-made woman who's made good. She's beautiful to boot. And, she fit all the personality traits that we were looking for to epitomize someone who could stand for natural diamonds.
Post-COVID, Indian retailers are now looking for ways and means to create demand for natural diamond jewelry. So are there any assets, which marketing assets which they can use in collaboration with the Natural Diamond Council, and how can they go about doing it?
So we are, there were two things that we really did during this lockdown. The one thing that we felt very strongly was about upskilling. We wanted to make sure that we as a team upskill, learned more about the consumer, learned more about what she was looking for, what interested her, the change in her way of thinking, the change in her buying behavior. At the same time, we wanted to ensure that our industry upskills and learns and grows with the times and this changing scenario. There were two things that we launched during this time. We've launched a retailer portal, as we call it. It's available for everybody to see. We'll send you the addresses that can be flashed now. But it has all the assets that we can share with you. There are certain assets which can be custom created where we can add logos. There are few of them, but they're assets for WhatsApp. They're assets which you can use to train your team. As a reckoner, if they want some 5 points reminder to the team, that is also there. We have collateral that you can put up in your stores. And a large part of what we have is digital material, which you can use for your WhatsApp, which you can use for your Instagram, for your Facebook, for YouTube. There are certain restrictions because of rights and properties. So we have to make sure that there is either the NDC logo on it or it's co-branded in some cases where we have used footage or images, but all of it is available. We also have a e-learning platform that has just started for us. We would like you to, it's free for everybody. There is refresher courses for everybody behind the counter. Please do encourage your team to go in, try out. It's just quick 2-minute bite-sized information to help you build stories, do a storytelling narrative with the consumer.
Good news for the retailers, and I'm sure many retailers will try to now engage with you, and we'll also help tell them where to go so that they can download the materials and use them.
For e-learning, we've had a lot of people who have signed up. We are very happy that they are trying it out. We did a pilot with few of the retailers to see what we can do, build on it. So we are very happy with the response we are getting. But the more people we get, the more we grow as an industry and develop would be fabulous.
Sustainability and enduring value of raw materials, including natural diamonds, has gone up post-COVID. People really value more natural things. How do you see this play out for the natural diamond business in the coming 3 to 5 years?
I would like to take it slightly broader. When I said that we spend time trying to get to know what the consumer is feeling and thinking of or changing in the way, it's changing every day. How we approached the pandemic in March to how we are looking at it now is very different. So I think it's a learning curve for everybody, including the consumer. And, there were few things we noticed which stand out. One, her respect for everything natural has gone up. and we mean everything. So she respects anything that does good for the nature, anything that comes from nature, anything which and the second point, sorry, I'm building on that, is anything which lasts longer. She wants to buy fewer things, but fewer that she can leave behind, that mean more to her, that have an emotional value. Which leads to my third point, that they feel the need to express their emotions. So whether it's for their parents, whether it's for their best friends, whether it's for their siblings, their girlfriends, there is a desire to express emotion. If you look at all the three insights we've received, all three are a perfect fit for the fine jewelry industry. Of course, natural diamonds fits better, but if you look, this is an opportunity for us. The consumer is asking for things that last, we fit. Consumer is asking for things that they can show as an expression of love. We are the perfect example of that, and the consumer agrees with that. And the respect for everything natural, everything which gives back. We as an industry have been doing great. We have so much that we have shared with you. Happy to share again, but we together as an industry have done so much that, the more we speak about it and make the consumer aware can only help us. So for us, the three things that the consumer is looking out for come festive season is all three that work well for us. So it's a perfect situation to be in today.
Richa, as you must be already knowing that, tier 2, tier 3 and tier 4 towns and cities in India are doing extremely well for natural diamond jewelry. Over the last 6 months during the pandemic, they even had business to the tune of 50-60%. And when it opened up from the month of May, they have been hitting the numbers of about 80-90% already. And they are looking to understand from you, because we are getting a lot of inquiries and things on promotional materials. And is there any media plan around for these kind of cities and towns from NDC, or any digital things which they can do with you and work with you closely on?
One thing that we realized with this pandemic again is that we need to have a digital first strategy. It needs to be, because while the consumer is ready to step out and go out and buy, they still want to do the discovery, the extra time they spent to evaluate, think, compare, all is happening online now. So we have really encouraged the industry, encouraged our partners to say we really need to up our game when it comes to digital. Don't think कि वो देखेगा और आज ही खरीद लेगा, but the thinking has started online, and we really need to encourage that. The people who are doing well, it's converting to, you shortlist, you can show it to them, they can come in for a shorter period, basis the shortlist, but let the shortlist be online. We started our platform, which launched naturaldiamonds.com, when it launched on 1st of July in India. We are providing new pieces of content every 3 days. There is a new piece of content. It covers everything from history, the Indian Connect, the collections, the tactical things we did. We put up jewelry from all the retailers. We took designs which were Ganpati, made with Ganpati ji on it. And we put it up. It was last minute, Ganesh Chaturthi chal rahi thi. And we said, we must showcase. And on day one, within like 30 odd hours, we had 60,000 people who logged on to see our article.
Wow.
And it's not even like a purchase site. And people spent about 2.5 minutes on that article. So obviously there is, if we can get the timing right, the topic, the content right, the consumer is ready to, they have the time. Because see, the other way of looking at it is they have time to evaluate you or spend with you or see what you're doing. So, we need to work just as a starting point to collaborate with us, how we can showcase. We reach out to all retailers. We've sent out mailers, we've put it up on our website, how you can upload your designs to us. But we showcase designs on every topic. Now, next we are showcasing the cut of a diamond. And, from an educational point, we are showcasing jewelry which showcases cut in a beautiful way. We are doing Navratri, we are doing the 9 colors and how they match with diamonds. And so we are picking tactical occasions which are purchase led as well as going with the story behind it. So we also do a lot of inspirational stuff like, movies which were inspired by diamonds or led by movie stars who are inspired by diamonds. We have, people like Priya Kapoor who are writing for us. We have experts in our industry who are writing for us or helping us or giving us quotes on specific topics. Please share your product. Please, we are happy to have you be our voice speak for us. The more retail brands that come in contact with the consumer, the happier we are. For us, it's the last mile belongs to the retailer, the partners, and that's what we would like to give them a platform to showcase what they have, the designs, the design sentiment with the consumer.
Last year you did this fabulous ground event with Lakme Fashion Week,
Yes.
But now this year, unfortunately, there are no ground events happening. So are there any plans to do such collaborations with any fashion industry and jewelers? Or is there, that is question number one. On the same, just following up, there are a lot of retailers who have called us and asked me to ask you that if they do some in-store events to launch their diamond collections, will you be open to digitally be there live talking on the natural diamond side of it? Or some kind of a collaboration like that where they can show the film in their store to the consumers digitally, and you could be also participating live from Bombay on a digital platform to just talk about the entire essence of diamonds and fashion.
So while the Fashion Week is not happening this year, we have collaborated with Lakme Fashion Week, and we'll be creating a lot of content from the fashion industry. We have designers, stylists and models speaking about natural diamonds and their love for it, and why they choose to wear it and how they choose to style it. So you will see that content starting from now and carrying us forward till end of the year. We will be reaching out to a few of you to help us showcase some of your jewelry with the models, especially with the models, and we are trying with the stylists as well. So we are going to make sure that we are where the fashion industry is. Today, the fashion industry has gone digital. The shows are happening online. The couture shows are happening online. We will make sure that we are a part of those shows. And, we will look forward to some of you collaborating and being a part of it. It's happening as we speak. We have reached out to some of you, but hopefully we will be able to showcase a lot of your new collections during the Fashion Week. Yes, so we are happy to collaborate where we provide information, education. Yes, we are. We have certain restrictions on our TDC because of the rights that exist. But anybody interested, we are happy to, tell you what options are available. That's the first on communication. For any collections you launch, I can't promise that we can showcase the entire collection, but we are very happy to showcase collections. So we have been doing it for quite a few people who reach out, who know now of us, about us and what we are doing. But please do reach out to us. We are very happy for us to showcase your collections as well. May not be real time. I can't promise that if you're launching today, I will showcase it digitally today. But in the coming week, we will definitely showcase it and share with our consumers. We will make sure that in that month, whenever we have a content piece coming up, we will showcase it. The reason I say content is, Sumit, we support everything with media behind it. So we are between now to December, we are on throughout. So it's while we do media on television on our commercial, we do media on every content piece we release. So if we are releasing something on Ganpati, we are advertising that digitally on, whether it's on Google, whether it's on Yahoo, whether it's on the smaller luxury channels, we are advertising everywhere, where we are promoting to leading people to the article, leading people to social media belonging to jewelers.
Okay, lovely. Any advice which you want to give to the trade for the upcoming 6 months? Because we have lost quite a few good months before in this financial year. So from October till March, what would you tell them to do with natural diamonds? I know that they should stock and sell, and they should
I cannot be saying that I know all that's happening at the ground level, but from a consumer point of view, every consumer we've spoken to is ready to buy. Like I said, they want to celebrate smaller moments. That's been the essence of our commercial as well, that it's not just a big moments, it's everyday moments that you need to celebrate. The consumer is wanting to celebrate. It's a very the thought is that we don't want to delay our celebration or our enjoyment or our love. So the expression of love, the celebration of times to come, and what you are thankful for needs to happen now. And if we catch the consumer at the right moment, there is nothing stopping us. So as long as you are, I would again like to reiterate, be strong digitally. May not be selling, but at least making them aware. Look how you would let the experience digitally be as strong as it is when they walk into your store and speak to you. It needs to be a strong experience. So you need to make sure that your product looks as gorgeous and as beautiful as it does in store. Make sure that you inform them, educate them on anything they want. Try to create an experience where they can interact with you or write into you. A lot of partners have said that they have very strong WhatsApp interactions with their consumer, and I think it's a great idea. As long as she sees something, he sees something, he's able to write into you, validate. Ultimately they have the trust in you, and it takes them to the final level. We will make sure that she falls in love with the diamonds again. You need to make sure that she comes out and you show her the design and make her buy the piece of jewelry that you showcase.
Okay, lovely, lovely. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for having me, Samit. It's always a pleasure to speak with you. We wish all of us a fabulous festive season. We're all looking forward to it. NDC is here to support you. We are live on media. We started early October. You will see us on every possible program, from KBC to MasterChef to cricket. You've all caught us. You've all written in to us saying that you appreciate it. We are on till 31st of December this year. So we are here to support you. You will see a lot more of us. Hopefully we will see a lot more contribution from you to our platforms, and we look forward to a very, very good festive season ahead.
Thank you very much, and all the best for the festive.
Thank you.